Good afternoon. Today, exercise 1.2, example number 2. Find the derivative of inverse function of following. Find the derivative of inverse function of the following. Find the derivative of inverse function of the following, that is example number 1. Y equal to x square into e raised to x. Y equal to x square into e raised to x. Differentiating with respect to y. Note this step. Note this step. Differentiating with respect to y. आपण नेहमी डिफरन्शिएटिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स करतो, पण आपल्याला इन्व्हर्स फंक्शनचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढायचं आहे. त्यामुळं वायचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वाय 1 बाय युजिंग प्रॉडक्ट रूल. First as it is derivative of second plus second as it is derivative of first into dy by dx. That is dx by dy equal to x square into e raised to x plus e raised to x into 2x. Note this step. And we know dx by dy equal to dy by dx equal to 1 upon dx by dy, that is 1 upon x square into e raised to x plus e raised to x plus 2x, that is dy by dx equal to 1 upon e raised to x bracket x square plus 2x. That is answer of the derivative of inverse function of the following. Inverse functionचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड करण्यासाठी. Similarly, example number 2, that is y equal to x into cos x. Differentiating with respect to y. Yचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह with respect to y1 by using product rule. First as it is into derivative of second plus second as it is derivative of first. That is x into cos into dy by dx, and dx by dy equal to minus x cos x plus x sin x. That is equal to dy by dx equal to 1 upon cos x minus x sin x is the answer. See and write in your notebook. That is derivative of inverse function. Derivative of inverse function. Derivative of inverse function is that. See, first step, differentiating with respect to y for inverse function. Note this step and write in your notebook. Now, example number 3. X into 7 raised to x. Y equal to x into 7 raised to x. Y equal to 4 y equal to 4. Example number 4, y equal to x square plus log x. आपल्याला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ इन्व्हर्स फंक्शनचं काढायचं आहे, आपल्याला डायरेक्ट dy बाय dx काढायचं नाही. त्यासाठी डिफरन्शिएटिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y, derivative of y equal to 1 by using product rule. First, as it is derivative of second, that is 7 raised to x चा derivative, log 7 plus 7 raised to x as it is x चा derivative 1 into dy by dx into dy by dx. That is equal to dx by dy equal to 7 raised to x bracket x log 7 plus 1. We know dy by dx equal to 1 upon dx by dy equal to 1 upon 7 raised to x log 7 plus 1. 7 raised to x log 7 plus 1 is the answer of question number 3rd. Similarly, you can solve for homework, that is y equal to x square plus log x. Answer dy by dx equal to 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon x, that is equal to x upon 2x square plus 1, x upon 2x square plus 1. And fifth one, y equal to x into log x. Y equal to x into log x for homework. dy by dx equal to 1 upon 1 plus log x. Answer 1 upon 1 plus log x, that is derivative of inverse function. Differentiating with respect to y, y चा derivative with respect to y1 by using product rule and inverse function साठी into dy by dx, and that is dy by dx equal to, or directly dy by dx equal to 1 upon x into 7 raised to x plus log 7 into 7 raised to x लिहिलं तरी चालेल. त्याप्रमाणे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ इन्व्हर्स फंक्शनचं आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड केलेला आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. सिमिलरली होमवर्कचा आन्सर इथं दिलेला आहे, याचं आन्सर इथं 4चं आन्सर आणि इथं 5चं आन्सर तिथं दिलेलं आहे. त्यानंतर आपल्याला क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, 4 आपण त्या ह्याच्यात डिस्कस करणार आहे. 6, 3, 4, 5 आपण गुगल मीटला डिस्कस करणार आहोत. त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला सिक्स क्वेश्चन, y इक्वल टू tan inverse log x, y equal to tan inverse log x. Find dy by dx. We know derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus f of x whole square into derivative of f of x. By using this formula, differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to 1 upon 1 plus log x whole square into derivative of f of x. That is derivative of f of x, log x derivative. That is d dx of log x. That is equal to 1 upon 1 plus log x whole square into 1 by x is the answer. Similarly, seventh question, second मधला, seventh मधला first आहे हा, sixth मधला second. y equal to cosec inverse e raised to minus x. Cosec inverse e raised to minus. Third one, y equal to cot inverse x cube. Differentiating with respect to x. This question for homework. Differentiate. We use formula. Different from x असेल तर त्याला f of x म्हणायचं. dy by dx equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x cube raised to square into derivative of x cube. Note this step. Minus 1 upon 1 plus x raised to 6 into 3x square. Into 3x square is the answer of question number 4. Question number 4. That is answer. See over here. First step, use formula cot inverse f of x. What is f of x? F of x different from x असेल त्याला आपण f of x म्हणतो. Differentiating with respect to x, minus 1 upon 1 plus function raised to 2 plus into derivative of x cube. Using this formula, we use by using tan inverse f of x, cot inverse f of x, cosec inverse f of x, we can solve question number 6. That is, step first, what is f of x? Use formula tan inverse f of x. Here, use formula tan cosec inverse f of x. Derivative of cosec inverse f of x. And write in your notebook. That is, answer of the question इज.